हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम बात करेंगे यूनिक अप्रोच सोशियोलॉजी पढ़ने की। सो व्हाट इज सोशियोलॉजी? सोशियोलॉजी इज अ सोसाइटी, ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल एंड a science to it. So we already know the syllabus. There is paper 1 and paper 2 for UPSC sociology optional. And sociology, paper 1, we study sociology as a discipline, as a science. That means what is the role of modern society in the evolution, how our societies earlier and later how they developed, about the research methods, quantitative यानी number के basis पे जो हैं, and qualitative methods. Then there are thinkers. Now why I have put it in bold? क्योंकि हमारा मेजर पार्ट जो है थिंकर्स से ही कवर होता है. 60 to 70% of the syllabus is covered by these thinkers like Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, Talcott Parson, R.K. Merton, and Mead. Apart from that, rest topics are stratification, that how we classify the society in different ranks like industrialist, capitalist, laborer, agriculturist. Then role of work and economic life in society. Again, we have divided it in urban and rural population. So that's how. What is the role of politics? In this comes the industrialists and the workers who are working for the multi companies and the role of pressure groups, etc. Next is the role of religion. How religion earlier in modern society in Europe, church used to do church used to do the major functions. So how religion plays a major role in society. Next is kinship. How modern societies have family, like nuclear family, joint family, and how it is different from Indian perspective. Then social change in modern society. So again, change like earlier we were living in joint families. Now we are moving to nuclear families. Then in modern Western society, they are living in single parent or even homosexuality. Then comes the paper two. In paper two, Indian thinkers will be there like G.S. Ghuri, M.S. Srinivasan, here Desai. Then we will study about impact of colonial rule. That means Britishers ने कितना impact किया इंडिया को, कैसे कैसे क्या किया, क्या laws लाए, कैसे उन्होंने इकोनॉमी को खराब किया, टैक्स लगाए इतने सारे. Then we will study about rural society, how India is divided into rural and urban, how the rural societies are governed, about the panchayat systems and all. Then there is caste system, Varna system is there in India. Then so many tribal societies are also there. Then different social classes. And again, kinship, how like in India, we stick together physically also and mentally also. But in Western society, they physically separate. After 18 years, they tell their children to leave their house. Otherwise, they have to pay rent, etc. Things like that. Then we have religion and minorities. So we'll study about minorities like Jainism, Buddhism, etc. Then we will study about social changes in law and education, how the laws are evolving. Like recently, triple talaq has been banned. Like in 2005, right to education came. Then we will study transformation of rural India, then industrialization and urbanization, how role of politics in India, then different kinds of movement like the Anna Hazare movement in 2011 or Chipko Andolan movement related to environment or different kinds of movement like a Nirbhaya. That was not a movement actually, but it was a support, Nirbhaya support for women violence or rape cases. Population dynamics, and then challenges in social transformation. Like what are the challenges we are facing? Poverty, again, girls, child death, like caste and etc. So keep watching the channel, and please subscribe to it. I will be uploading more videos and I'll be covering the whole sociology optional. And please comment below to tell me which video or chapter you want first. Thank you.